Hi, Biggie Fraley here, the arthritis coach, and today we're gonna discuss what is curcumin and what kind of benefits does it offer to arthritis sufferers. Stay tuned. So first, what is curcumin? Curcumin is actually a compound found in turmeric, a pretty popular spice you may already find in your kitchen cabinet. It is bright orange. It is often used in Asian and Indian cuisines. You may be specifically familiar with it from Indian curries. But most importantly, curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. With that said, let's get right into the benefits it provides for arthritis sufferers. Turmeric's top benefit is that it fights inflammation, the underlying cause for all inflammatory types of arthritis and many other chronic diseases. Amazingly, curcumin has shown to alleviate chronic inflammation more effectively than aspirin and ibuprofen, two of the most common over-the-counter non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. And more importantly, it does so without the devastating side effects these and other prescription drugs can have. Top benefit number 2, the curcumin in turmeric alleviates joint pain. There have been several scientific studies that have shown that curcumin may be effective in decreasing joint pain and improving rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. And last but not least, curcumin enhances detoxification. An excessive buildup of toxins in our bodies from the foods we eat and just our everyday environment can lead to inflammation and chronic disease like arthritis. Luckily, we have a built-in and natural detoxification mechanism, our liver. And curcumin supports healthy liver function. So my advice if you suffer from arthritis and joint pain is to add turmeric to your diet and also consider taking a quality curcumin supplement. You will also find additional information on turmeric, yummy recipes, and a link to a quality curcumin supplement on the accompanying blog post for this video. The specific post I've linked to in the description below. Otherwise, head straight over to thearthritiscoach.com and just search for turmeric and the article will come right up. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button on YouTube, share it with friends and family that may also benefit, and do comment, let me know if you have had personal experience adding curcumin as either a supplement or in your diet and have seen improvements of your symptoms. I would love to know. Just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Arthritis Coach YouTube channel so that you don't miss new videos as I release them. And click on the notification icon as well. Don't forget that, so that you will be notified as soon as a new video is released. Thank you so much, and I am looking forward to educating you more in a next video. Bye-bye.